In today's video, we're going to discuss the best music speed changer applications for Android. If you love listening to music and want to have control over the speed of your songs or audio, then you're in the right place. We've handpicked 3 amazing applications that will allow you to adjust the speed of your favorite tracks with ease. So, let's dive in and explore these fantastic Android apps. Music Speed Changer. Music Speed Changer is the best Android application that allows users to change the speed of songs or audio in real time. This application is very user-friendly. Simply select a song from your music library, adjust the desired speed, and listen to the results. You can also choose specific parts of the song to change their speed. Moreover, the application also features a loop function to repeat a portion of a song at a different speed. Music Speed Changer supports various audio file formats such as MP3, WAV, FLAC, and many more. Supersound. Supersound is a powerful Android application for changing the speed of music or audio. This application offers impressive features including speed control, pitch, sound recorder, and audio cutter. You can easily change the speed of a song or audio by sliding the slider. Supersound also includes an audio cutter feature that allows you to trim unwanted parts or save your favorite sections. Additionally, the application supports various audio file formats including MP3, FLAC, OGG, and more. Audio Speed Changer. Audio Speed Changer is an Android application that allows you to quickly and easily change the speed of audio. This application has a simple and intuitive interface, making it easy for users to navigate. You can select an audio file from your music library and adjust its speed by sliding the slider. Audio Speed Changer also provides precise speed settings up to 0 wonks. Additionally, the application supports various audio file formats such as MP3, WAV, OGG, and more. And that concludes our discussion on the best Music Speed Changer applications for Android. With Music Speed Changer, Supersound, and Audio Speed Changer, you now have the power to customize the speed of your favorite songs and audio files. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.